Glenn Mills we talk about all the time. But Ricky Sim is kind of the unsung hero. He's been there since you've come to go professional. What has he done and how has he ensured that, you know, you're not exploited one and you are the brand that you are now? Because the brand didn't start in 2008. The building process would have started from then.
Well, from the first day, one thing I've always said about Ricky and really made me really drawn to Ricky is that from day one, he treated me with respect no matter I wasn't making any money or I was just a simple athlete. He would always make sure everything is on point. I get pick up, I get drop off, I get to the meet, I have my room. Everything was organized, you know what I mean? And throughout my career, it's always been the same with him, you know what I mean? And he's been really down to earth. And for me, the fact of the personality that he has, it's pretty much the whole team. We just love to laugh and joke around and just have a good time. And for me, it matched the whole team that I have. And he's helped me, and he's one of the person that gave me the talk and explained to me what I could do with my talent throughout the years and sat me down at an early tender age and said, listen to me saying, you have the talent, you can be great if you want, and you could do this and you could change the world. And for me, that was a big talk.
Of course, everybody's talking about what is Usain Bolt's legacy. Everybody can say what they want to say. What do you, Usain Bolt, see as your legacy? When you look back at, remember the 400 meters at Boys Champs, it was yourself, Gonzalez, and Myers. It was raining, and you run 45:35. When you track the years come all the way down to 11 World Championship gold, 2 silver, a bronze, 8 Olympic medals, 1 in the balance at CAS, and in the balance at CAS. How you sum up your legacy on and off the track?
Well, it's hard, you know what I mean? It's just been a wonderful career. I can't really complain about anything. You understand? I think all the disappointments, all the injuries, everything that I went through, I feel it has helped to build me as a person. And for me, I really don't know how to sum it up. You cannot catch me off guard now. But it's been a brilliant career. You understand? I've accomplished what I've wanted to accomplish. When it's on the track, off the track, I still have more work to do. You understand? And to be a part and help build community and build Jamaica itself. But on the track, I've accomplished all I've wanted to accomplish. I've had a wonderful career, a bright future. It's just been outstanding. I can't complain about anything.